Namaskar. India Meteorological Department welcomes you in daily weather briefing. Today, the minimum temperatures have risen by 1 to 3 degrees centigrade over many parts of North India, and as a result, cold wave conditions have abated from plains of northwest India, except over 2-3 stations like Churu, Sikar, and Rohtak, where temperatures have been reported as 1.5, 2.0, and 3.8, respectively. Over rest parts of the Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Rajasthan, and Uttar Pradesh, the minimum temperatures have been reported to be above 4 degrees centigrade. They are, in fact, lying between 5 to 8 degree centigrade over these areas. Although dense to very dense fog conditions is prevailing over many parts of Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, and some parts of Bihar, and isolated pockets of Jammu division, Uttarakhand, and North Rajasthan. Now, if we look into the coming scenario of the cold wave conditions, cold day conditions, and the dense fog conditions, then we will have to see the position of the western disturbances. Currently, a western disturbance roughly along 70-degree longitude to the north of 32-degree latitude is lying, and another western disturbance is behind this, which is a very large system, and it is running roughly along 50-degree longitude to the north of 30-degree latitude. And these western disturbances in succession, as we have been predicting since last 5 to 7 days, that they are going to rise they are going to cause a rise in minimum temperatures over the plains of northwest India, giving respite from the continuing prevailing cold wave conditions. So the cold wave conditions, as we have seen, that has abated from the most parts of northwest India, and these cold wave, and if we look into cold day conditions, then cold day conditions are likely to continue today, but will abate from tomorrow. Tomorrow, the cold day conditions are likely only in isolated places over Punjab, Haryana, and UP. And day after tomorrow, that is from 12th onwards, so there are no cold day conditions likely over these areas. Although the dense fog conditions, the dense to very dense fog over some parts, and dense to very dense fog in many parts over Punjab, Haryana, and UP are likely to reduce slightly. The dense fog conditions are likely to abate from Punjab and Haryana by tomorrow. Although over UP it will continue tomorrow in some pockets, and day after tomorrow in isolated pockets only over UP and Bihar from 11th to 14th of January. Although the dense fog conditions, once this WD passes on 14th, so the dense fog conditions over Punjab and Haryana and North Rajasthan may reappear from 14th January morning, although we are currently only giving dense fog conditions in isolated pockets only on 13th and 14th of January. So this western disturbance is going to cause fairly widespread light moderate rainfall and snowfall over Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh, Gilgit, Baltistan, Muzaffarabad, Himachal Pradesh, and Uttarakhand during 11th to 13th, with maximum intensity on 12th of January. And it is also likely to cause isolated drizzle or light rainfall over Punjab and North Haryana and Northwest UP during 11th to 13th of January. So under its influence, the minimum temperatures have already started rising, and they are likely to further rise by 2 to 4 degrees centigrade over Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, and Uttar Pradesh, and once this western disturbance moves away on the 14th, and then the minimum temperatures would again start falling by 3 to 5 degrees centigrade from 14th January onwards. So that's all for today. Tomorrow we'll again meet with daily weather briefing for weather warning during next 5 days. Thank you and goodbye.